it's a day after the monster storm, and that's what we wake up to, so it's way much snow. Look at my seats. They are above the seat, plus all the snow that's drifted, and that makes even higher at some points. Let's say it's 1 foot and a half, 34 centimeter, and at spots, on some spots it's like 50, 60 because of the drifts. That's why we wake up to. At least the snow lost a bit of theirs. The trees lost a bit of the snow because they were heavily. Yeah, my pine tree went up again. Okay, so that's me going to my blood test, and we'll see what happens outside. Everything is closed. Here we go. It's brisk, it's cold. -7 or -9. Let me stabilize the camera. Okay, I'm gonna clean up the car quickly. A bit more and go. I will actually open my car this way. It's gonna be easier than the other side. There we go. I arrived safe and sound, and it's better plowed here than the street, and salted, which the streets are not. That's why they are like still with a layer of little snow. So that's my blood test. The parking lot looks like it's after my blood test. So this part is salted and plowed, but the city, they don't have any more salt, so that's only private companies that still have a remainder of salt. So it's salted, but the roads are not that great and not that salted at all, actually. I'll go back home and have a breakfast.
Does she notice the things I noticed? How she practices piano on her thigh, imagining the keys inside her mind. Does she notice the things I notice? How her eyes wander the room when it gets quiet, searching for solutions in the silence. But I'm here, I'm here.
Okay, so that's what we arrived to. I will get into my car. I'm slanted, but whatever. Not straight. Whatever. Straight. Okay. Let me put the wipers up again in case it freezes. Their death. So that's a snowbank inside my car. Wipers up. I'm scented, but that's fine. Here we go. The size last time because it's above the seating. It's above the seating. And it's above my knee. Well, here I'm like on the ground. It's above my knee. Oh my gosh.
Won't she turn around? Won't she look at me? Oh, please. Won't she notice me? She's everywhere, I'm over here. 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 She's everywhere, I'm over here.
The reason why I emptied my compost, why I changed the cat litter, because you don't want to go across that. Just as of now, look at those cars there. We did an excellent job, by the way. Even though it was late, it's just this little mound that we didn't remove here. That was the last, and it was too hard. We had to shovel and we didn't do it. That's fine. And I had to go across that so I can make my turn. That's always the point. We have a parking area. We can walk. We have access to the snowblower also. And the gasoline. Look at the backyard. Parking area, the driveway. So let me check on that situation about the dryer. Look at the azalea, they are covered. And down, yes, I have to. Is it under the window though? Oh, maybe not. Yeah, a little bit.
Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why. Guess all beauty must die. We try hard, but we also know so reckless. So reckless.
It's brisk but sunny. I'm gonna unplug the outlet for the dryer. Some areas are drying, that's good. But it's brisk, it's not so warm.
Not by your side. Yes, I know that I have to agree. There is no one as reckless as me. And now that you are in me, and there's no way without, cannot function with this power out. There were no reasons why. Yes, our beauty must die. We try hard, but we also so reckless. So reckless. I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why. I guess all beauty must die. We try hard, but we all
So at the airport, speaking of Laura, look at the snow piles. So I'm 109, 108, 109. It's the airport. I have to check if she landed yet or not. Again, that's what we wake up to this morning. So a couple more centimeters. And it's all grey, I don't know, maybe it's gonna snow again. Maybe that's not the end of it. Here we go. Some sun is coming up suddenly though, so it should be good. Maybe it will melt without cleaning. I was doing an outing with all the trashes. So she will have to dig out the trash, actually. Ah, Mimi. +2, that's how it looks. The tree is coming back up little by little. Some ice falling from the roof. And here is the trash can. Look at the snowbanks. That's ridiculous. I don't even know I have a snow pile. Look at the mailbox. The mailbox is like encased. Oh my gosh. It's a snowbank. The entrance of the house. Oh man. The snowbank above my car at the parking lot. Look at that. Look at that. Thanks at the connection. I'm gonna take a pic. That's ridiculous. Look at the snow piles. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Snowbanks are not getting better. Usually there is nothing here. My car is encased.